Um, yeah. Hey guys, this is the second March, and what I had learned today is that I just learned like two things today. One thing is about like self trust and what is self trust and how to define it, and the second thing is that I'm just like what's happening is that I'm due to a lot of it just like I just feel that I can take action, but I'm just not doing it. It's it's because of the habit that I have been that I have built on myself that that's like stopping me from just doing just opening, and this is a very it's just like this. It's like a chain that it's like okay, this is how do we say like it's like a psychological chain, and I just feel that, and I don't do it, but I just feel good to just went out and I can do it just a little bit more push, but yeah, that's what I'm feeling in per se. But I was just thinking about what is like self trust and how to define it. It's just like this. It's just what I have understood is that we have this impulse in our body to just do that. For example, right now I'm having it because I'm just outside, and there's like a lot of things. A lot of people would call me XYZ in my childhood or something, or let's say fuck it. So this is like a small thing which is like coming up, and you don't feel good inside your body, and it just also comes up in when you like get silent or something, and if you just can manage that, then that's that something is like known as self trust. Is that just you can just like manage those things whichever is coming, and it's not a conscious thing. It's like you can also do consciously, but after a while it just become unconscious. Just like you're like walking, your mind is just automatically managing itself to manage those impulse or those bad emotion which are coming, and repetition can also help in this, and so this is what I found out today, and it's it's I think the very accurate definition of self trust. It's just like we have this it's like a technical definition of it. It's just like we have this we have kind of this like small stuff which is like coming up in our body, and we just feel this impulse to just does those things, and it's very hard. It just takes some time and repetition just to be in a good spot to just do it, and this is what I have realized today, and in pickup, like for example, right now it's a good right now my body is like managing all the impulses because there's no impulses much, but like in pickup, what I'm not doing is that I'm just not going in, and it's fine. It's just I'm not doing it right now, and but it feels like it feels so much heartbreaking or like sad or like failure kind of thing, but this is one of the things to have it in pickup, and but anyway, I'm going to end now. I think that's about it for today. I talked about like self trust and how to like where I am in pickup, and hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Like this thing's gonna come up, and it's just very unconscious. You can't just I can't just control it. It's just like if someone just I think what is it? It just someone just walks up in my life. I was told that I can't speak or something, and those things are just coming up, and it's very unconscious. I'm not able to recognize it, but it just pops up, and I'm like, whoa, finish. And this also this is the same thing which comes up when I'm just about opening a set. Like just now I just did this, and because of there was a family coming up, and just did this because I was talking about pickup, and this is crazy. But anyway, I'm going to end now. Bye. Have a nice day.